special when the spotlight.
Welcome to this week's Foster's Fishing Tip. Now, when you've been fishing on the canal and if it's been a bit damp, you come to pack your equipment away at the end of your fishing session, you find the two sections of pole have jammed solid together. Now, I have seen a lot of anglers walking about and they're carrying a length of pole that is totally stuck together. They will take it home, they will try WD-40, boiling water. I've even heard of anglers putting it in the freezer and still they can't get the two joints apart. There's a simple solution, but you do need a couple of mates. So Mick, could you possibly help me please? And Vic, now I want you both to hold the pole at each end. Now don't twist the pole, because if you twist the pole you will break the fibres and you will do damage to the section of your pole. I want Mick and Vic to simply pull in a straight line while I rock the joint. Can you start pulling? Now I rock the joint and I can, and there you are, the joint is opened.
Well, John Foster will be back packing his rod and all in June, so bear with us if you're an angler. Well, the big racing week at Cheltenham has just ended with this
Direct link to the launch